Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this cryptodad. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, in today's video I'll be updating us on the SuperStep Airdrop. I'll be updating us on the SGMT token. So if you perform this airdrop, so you are given 1000 worth of the token and you also be given $60 worth of an NFT. So I'll just be going over to their site. I'll be going over to the airdrop site. I'm on the airdrop page right now. The airdrop has already ended. So for you to log into your account, you just need to click on this button. When you click on that, you just need to select login. You'll be seeing login by this particular site. You just need to log in using your registered Gmail account and also your BEP20 wallet address. So when you log in, you can just go over to your dashboard. You just need to click on dashboard. When you come over to dashboard, you'll be seeing the number of invites you made. You'll be seeing your balance here. I'm having this particular amount as balance, and you also be seeing your pre-sale. So if you partake in the pre-sale, you'll be seeing the particular amount you are having. And through the invitation I made, I got a bonus of BNB. I got this particular amount of BNB as bonus. So I can also decide to make withdrawal. I just need to click on withdraw. And I also received 12 NFT. So the SGMT token will be listed very soon. So I received a mail on the pancakeswap listing. It will be listed on the 27th of June. We just have like 3 days to the listing. So I'll just be going back to their platform. After you've logged in, the next thing you have to do is you have to click on connect wallet. You have to click on this connect wallet. Then you have to connect using the wallet connect. And you have to make use of the registered BEP20 address. I'll just click on connect. Then I'll be selecting trust wallet. I'll click on just once. So I need to connect my wallet. I just need to click on this connect wallet. This is my registered BEP20 wallet address. I'll just click on connect. So I've successfully connected my wallet. I'll just be going back to the platform. My wallet has been connected. So for me to make withdrawal, I just need to click on this withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you'll be seeing this particular information, withdraw not yet opened. So you just need to wait for more update from the announcement page and also their community. So I'll just be going back. I'll be making withdrawal of my bonus. I received this particular amount from my invites. I just need to click on this withdraw. When I click on withdraw, I'll be seeing the wallet. I'll be receiving the BNB2. I'll be receiving this particular amount of BNB into this wallet address. I just need to click on this confirm. I've successfully made withdrawal of my BNB bonus, so I'll just be confirming the transaction. I'll be going over to unlock my sneakers. So I have 12 sneakers. I'll just be going over to click on this. When you click on that, you'll be seeing all. You see sneakers, you see the shoebox gems. So I'm presently on the all and I've received a total of 12 NFT. I'll just be going ahead to open all these remaining boxes. I'll just be clicking on open. So I've successfully opened this. I'll just be going back. I'll be opening the next one. I'll just click on open. So guys, I've successfully opened all the 12 NFT. The mint function, the sell function, and also the transfer function will be available. And also the listing of the token will be available very soon. So the listing will be on the 27th of June. So you just have 3 days, and also the withdrawal function will be opened very soon. So you just need to wait for more updates from their channel. After the withdrawal function has been opened, you just need to go over to click on withdraw. And also to add this token to your trust wallet, you just need to click on that. When we click on that, we need to go over to the home. We just need to click on home. Then we'll be seeing the contract address here. We'll be seeing SGMT contract address. You just need to copy this contract address. Then we need to go over to our trust wallet to add the token. So add the token, we just need to click on this button. Then we have to click on add custom token. We have to change the network from Ethereum to Smartchain. Then we just need to paste in the contract address. I just paste in the contract address. So the name, the symbol, and also the decimal have come up. I just need to click on this done button. So I've successfully added the SGMT token to my trust wallet. The coin will be listed on the 27th of June. After the coin has been listed, so the withdraw function will also be available, so you can just go ahead to make withdraw. I'll be confirming the BNB withdrawal I made. So I made a withdrawal of the BNB commission I got. I'll just be going over to my trust wallet. I'll just be clicking on BNB. So I just received this particular amount from the SuperStep referral commission. So I received $11 worth of the BNB. So my withdrawal has been completed. So guys, the withdrawal of this token will be available very soon. The withdrawal of the SGMT token will be available very soon. So I'll be dropping updates on my channel when the withdrawal is available. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just need to click on the subscription button, and you also need to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, thanks for watching this video.